How to create a Douyin account. I'm going to tell you how to create a Douyin account so you can access the Chinese version of TikTok. Since Douyin is region locked, you might need a VPN set to China before starting. First, download Douyin from the official website or a trusted APK source if it's not available in your app store. Open the app and tap sign up. You can register using a Chinese phone number, but if you don't have one, select use email or sign up with WeChat or QQ. After entering your details, complete the CAPTCHA verification. If you used an international number, you might not get a verification code. So using WeChat is the easiest option. Once you're in, you can customize your profile and start exploring Douyin. Keep in mind that some content may be region restricted if you're outside China.